Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is Alphabetical Series Set 17. Question number 1. If in a certain code Nagpur is written as Nugungu, how will Patna will be written in the same code? Option Pata. Option B Patna. Option C Nta. Option D Tap. Option E none of these. The correct answer is option Pata. Nagpur is written as Nagpur, Nagpur, and then the letter at odd places are taken for coding. Similarly for Patna. Question number 2. In a certain code office is written as 4GG3D2. How will Milton will be written in that code? Option A M3Ks4N. Option B M3mu4O. Option C N3mu10. Option D N3mu50. Option E none of these. The correct answer is option B M3mu40. A E I O U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and consonants are increased by 1. Question number 3. In a certain code Bombay is written as 2,64,217, then in the same code, how Jammu will be written? Option A 11,223. Option B 11,443. Option C 11,553. Option D 11,234. Option E none of these. The correct answer is option B 11,443. B equals 2, O equals 1 plus 5 equals 6, M equals 1 plus 3 equals 4, B equals 2, A equals 1, Y equals 2 plus 5 equals 7. Question number 4. In a certain code system is written as NVGHBS. How will fraction will be written in same code? Option A Mglshazui. Option B Mglshazui. Option C Rinkui. Option D Migxiu. Option E none of these. The correct answer is option D Migxiu. First reverse the word and then write complement of each letter, like M plus N equals 27, A plus Z equals 27 and so on. Question number 5. If in a certain code document is written as GMVNFXLW, then in the same code how classic is written? Option A Zajof. Option B Zshows. Option C Zox. Option D Zajkse. Option E none of these. The correct answer is option C Zox. Write the word in reverse order like Cisalc and now write their opposites as by, CX, DW and so on. Question number 6. If in a certain code cycle is written as Mindvo, then in the same code how punch will be written? Option A Zigzam. Option B Zexm. Option C Zexar. Option D Zekshmar. Option E none of these. The correct answer is option D Zekshmar. Add 10 to all digits. P equals 16, U equals 21, N equals 14, C equals 3, H equals 8, i.e. 26, 31, 24, 13, 18. So corresponding terms equals Zekshmar. Question number 7. If in a certain code inside is written as UOE, then in the same code how river will be written? Option A IOE. Option B UIU. Option C O. Option D OI. Option E none of these. The correct answer is option B, YU. In this coding scheme, the vowel next to the corresponding letter is written like river. Vowel after R is U, so R is coded as U. Similarly, vowel after V is A, so V is coded as A, and so on. Question number 8. In a certain code, paradise is written as apparides. Then in the same code, how clipboards is written? Option A, lipiobraced. Option B, lisipobraced. Option C, lipiabstra. Option D, lipioabs. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option A, lipiobraced. Each pair of words are written in reverse order. PA equals AP, RA equals R, DI equals ID, and SE equals S. Question number 9. In a certain code, certain is written as vigazrmx. Then in the same code, sound is written as option A, LFMWH. Option B, LFMHW. Option C, LFHWM. Option D, RAVM. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option A, LFMWH. Write each letter opposites I equals Z, B equals Y, C equals X, and so on, and then shift the code by one place to the left. Question number 10. In a certain code, system is written as NVGHBS. How will fraction will be written in same code? Option A, Mglshazui. Option B, Mglshazui. Option C, Rinkui. Option D, Migxu. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option D, Migxu. First reverse the word and then write complement of each letter, like M plus N equals 27, A plus Z equals 27, and so on. Question number 11. In a certain code, national is written alti now then in the same code, how daughter is written? Option A, Orthjar. Option B, Erdot. Option C, Irugdahat. Option D, Hate Rugda. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option C, Irugdahat. National, Na equals 1, T equals 2, On equals 3, and Dal equals 4. Similarly for daughter, DA equals 1, Og equals 2, Height equals 3, and DR equals 4, and then arrange them in 4213 order. Question number 12. In a certain code, stabilized is written as Chbutkadark. Then in the same code, how computer is written? Option A, QTST and PDQ. Option B, QND PDQST. Option C, QPD and STDQ. Option D, QNPDQDST. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option D, QNPDQDST. First, the word is divided into half like compentuta. Now these half are written in reverse order like Mok and Retu, and now the first half is moved one step forward and second half one step backward like Mok equals QNPD and Retu equals QDST. Question number 13. In a certain code, right is written as Xli. Then in the same code, how false is written? Option A, Ojg. Option B, GC Oj. Option C, Aregi. Option D, Gcho. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option B, GC Oj. +1, +2, +3, +4, and +5 to respective letter. Question number 14. In a certain code, metro is written as Vgil. Then in the same code, how country will be written? Option A, Zajim. Option B, Klfmigb. Option C, Zmegib. Option D, Klfmgib. Option E, none of these. The correct answer is option D. Cliffmgib. Corresponding letter sum equals 27. M plus N equals 27. E plus V equals 27. Question number 15. If in certain code monkey is written as flop, then in the same code how character is written? Option A. Sfudbsid. Option B. Sfudbibid. Option C. Sfubibs. Option D. Spushpsbid. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option D. Spushpsbid. Write the word in reverse order and then shift one place forward. Character equals read ke arg in reverse order equals spushpsbid plus 1 forward. Question number 16. If in certain code certain is written as dguxm, then in the same code how reverse is written? Option A. Sgux. Option B. Shksekd. Option C. Sgayaukd. Option D. Sgaikd. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option C. Sgayaukd. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, same, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Question number 17. If in certain code computer is written as a code, then in the same code how document is written? Option A. SXRH. Option B. SXHR. Option C. XSRH. Option D. SXGR. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option A. SXRH. Divide the word in equal groups of 2 like in document 2, CU, me and NT, and now add their respective positions in English alphabet like do equals 4 plus 15 equals 19, CU equals 3 plus 21 equals 24, me equals 13 plus 5 equals 18, and NT equals 14 plus 20 equals 34. Now, 19 is equivalent to S, 24 is equivalent to X, 18 is equivalent to R, and 34 is equivalent to 26 plus 8 equals H. Question number 18. If in certain code software is written as Togaxes, then in the same code how Wednesday is written? Option A. Ziameteors. Option B. Ziartias. Option C. Zephetias. Option D. Ziaoite. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option B. Ziartias. All vowels are kept same and consonants are increased one step forward. Question number 19. If in certain code translate is written as SQBMRKBSF, then in the same code how Verizon is written? Option A. Upkjum. Option B. Upjexpm. Option C. Fukjum. Option D. Uakjum. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option E. None of these. Upkjim. Vowels are increased one step forward and consonants are moved one step backward. Question number 20. If in certain code certain is written as mrisgux, then in the same code how activate is written? Option A. Gzux. Option B. Gzugsi. Option C. Gzagisiks. Option D. Gzunks. Option E. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Gzugs. Write the word in reverse order like Itavitka and now write their opposites as by, CX, DW and so on. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.